Well, Heidly ho, and welcome to Hadrian's Forge, a place for learning and fun. I'm Scott, but you know that already. And today I'm going to go through and do a walk, have you watch me walk through a class prep so that I can go through and find out how long it's going to take me to teach this particular project. I hope it comes out as good as expected. Um, but it has been a while, so I need to brush up on things. Let's go ahead and skip into it. And on our way there, why don't you head down to the comments section and tell me what you're thinking? Hit that like button, and let's move on to the forge. See you there. On that last set, you notice my hand, hammer work was a bit off, my hand's all wet. I grabbed something not intelligent, and I grabbed that bar and burned a good chunk of the inside of my palm. So I'm going to go dry my hand off, and and so I can, while I'm heating up. The moral of the story is just because it's black does not mean it's cold. Well, hey, sup? As you can see, I need to remember my practice and my scrolling. This one is good. This one, not so much. Everything else went out exactly as expected, and came out real nice. Um, I do need to change one thing. Instead of doing this sideways this way when I put the indent in it, I need to rotate it so that it's sitting this way, so that I can get it down anyway. So that'll be the next one. Um, Next video is, well, I don't know. It might be Sunday. I might be come up with something sooner. I'm not exactly sure yet. Anyway, I'll see you next time, and hit that subscribe and notify button so you get those reminders. And I'll talk to you next time. Until then, remember, you're all wonderful people.